Please, I want to ask a very important question because I see this a lot in my comment section. What does it mean to address the Yorubas as Yariba or Yariba? What does it mean? What does that word mean? Is it another way of calling them Yoruba? Yeah, like maybe Igbo, calling people IGBO, calling them Igbo IBO instead of IGBO, or is it supposed to be an insult or another better way of calling them Yoruba? Please do tell me. And who actually started using that word? What does it mean? I need to know because the reason to why I'm not using it is because I don't know the meaning. I don't know what it stands for. So if I want to use it, I will use it in the right context. All right? Please, I need your help. Yoruba, Yariba, or Yariba. What does it mean and what does it stand for? Thank you.